everyone, welcome back to Jessica Fashion Studio. Today we are checking out some amazing trendy outfits that look stylish and perfect for modern fashion lovers.
Ma'am, large on tag ha, large on tag me. Code ay large. Large on tag me, black na black yan. Stretchable naman siya kung sakali. Okay? Large size me. Maganda for Miss Nazar. Okay, next. Miss Nazar, yours, ma'am. Thank you so much. Okay, next po tayo. Miss Nazar, yours. Another set. Yung the black one. Wali. Okay, next. Another one. Blue. Naku, wala na pala masyadong mga pink-pink. Next, me. Ay, may panlalaki. Yung mga panlalaki, ayaw nyo, diba? Bigyan na natin. Ay, may pink pa, oh. Large to XL. Pantulog po, ha. Pantulog po, mga B. Sobrang lambot. Pantulog, mahal. XL. Code pink. XL, code pink, my loves. XL, code I pink. Code I pink. XL me, code pink. XL po, code I pink. Code pink, code pink. Large po for Miss Frammy. Okay, next. Pink me. Miss Frammy for the large sizes. Okay, next tayo, baby. Okay, next me, code pink. Medium na pink for Miss Maybelline. Medium na gap, meron pa po. Miss Maybelline, yours. Okay, next. May panlalaki, meron lang. Teka lang po, ha. Next, may branded medium po na gap. Ito, ayaw nyo. Ay, yeah. Medium na gap, mga sis. Sige, for free ko para masaya kayo. Code I-free. Libre lang, ma'am. Sandali lang po sa panlalaki, ma'am. Code I-free. Code free B. Next. Pantulog, mga B. Pantulog, large to XL, mga sis. Ha? Code I pink. Ulitin ko, me. Code ulit pink. Large to XL, pantulog, my love. Printed po yan. Okay, hindi siya plain. Okay, next tayo. For free, me. Bebe Maria. Sige, bigay ko sa'yo. Next tayo, si Z. Another set, my love. Hindi na ako mag-boost, mga sis. Bukas na. Para sa, premium collection. Guys, bukas, guys, 280, 350 ako. Premium ako bukas. Okay, next. I mean, hot bills pala. Mali ako ng term. Hot bills me. Hot bills, ibig sabihin ni pinakamahal sa truckload ang aking i-flex tomorrow. Okay, Miss Maybelline, yours, ma'am. Thank you so much. Ganda, ma'am, no? Okay, next. Next me, pantulog ulit. Malambot ang tela me. Size po is medium to XL. Orange. Lambot ni branded Marriott. Singapore brand, ma'am. Okay? Code I, orange. Code orange me, code orange. Code sister, orange. Code ma'am, orange. Code orange. Okay, next. Ma'am, code orange ha. Next me, branded. Ay, pang-alis me. Ay, hindi. Ay, pang-alis. Large to XL, code meron. May drawstring me, pwedeng jogger pants. Code meron. Orange po, Maybelline. Okay, next tayo, sis. Another one. Miss Maybelline P, yours. Okay, next tayo, me. Salamat, madam. Okay, next. This one. Pwedeng pang-alis, me, ha. Black siya, me, pang-alis. Wali? Okay, next tayo, sissy. Me, pantulog, small to large. Code I tulog. Code tulog. Meron, yours, my dear. My dear, yours. Okay, next tayo. Another set. Small to large po. Meron for my mother. Next me. Small to large.